Say hi. Hi. Can you say, what does a sheep say?
Bah.
What does a cow say?
Hi.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. What does Grandpa Jim do? What does Cakes do? Where's Daddy?
Dada.
Where, Dada? Can you say baby?
Bee.
Can you say peach?
Hi. Bee.
Can you say blueberry? Can you say ducky?
Da.
Can you say piggy?
Bee.
Can you say shashi?
Shisha.
And pops? Pops? And what does Rui do? And can you say nanny?
Nana.
And Kim?
Popo.
Bertha? Bertha, what does and Kim do? Rah, rah, rah. Can you say doggy? Doggy? And mommy? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.